Good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing today? Um, I just ordered a another 1/16 scale roller. It's an older buggy. It's from a company called HSP. In this case, it's called the 94185. So I'm gonna start the video unboxing right now to show you guys. Basically, it just comes all apart, but I did buy it RTR, so it's not totally in pieces. So first off, this is the body that they sent me. It's like a blue and orange sort of motif. I know the sun's got some glare on it, but it's quite nice. It's got some stickers on it. I believe it's called the Troyan. So that is so that's the name of the buggy. Okay. So I guess they went ahead and put some stickers on it already. That's the body on it. Okay, so just take off the protective coating before you, of course, you put the stickers on it. I have another body on its way. I ordered a second one, just so I can have a variety. So I just want to show you guys. Then we have the good old-fashioned HSP. I remember when I used to do the 1/10 buggies. They used to come with these. I still have some 1/10 buggies and truggies and monster trucks from HSP. It's been quite a few years since I've had these. But anyways, they all come with this sort of large leaflet, and basically, it has if it's a brush version, you got to use this motor. You got to use this one in terms of nickel metal hydride batteries. In this case, lipos. That's just how old this model is. Of course, they are compatible um, with the new style lipos, of course. And the good thing about the HSPs, they always gave you this huge leaflet, basically showing you like a blown up view of what's in the car in this this particular model, and all the item numbers in case you break something or you need something. Parts are readily available. Um, Now I'm noticing AliExpress is carrying them. eBay is another source for everything HSP, so that's always nice. So in terms of support, you're good because it's been around for such a long time. And I'm going to take this out carefully. It looks like it's kind of wedged in there. And that's the buggy itself. Okay, so yeah, it comes with it's a very traditional buggy, but like I said, the 1/10 scales are also nice. But I had lots of those and I've taken a recent liking to these 1/16 scales. They're easier to work with, a bit more tighter, but overall, I mean, it's pretty good. They're more lightweight, and you can still pack a lot of performance into them. Um, we have our everything that's important is there. We have metal dog bones in the rear, um, and of course, I believe the running gear is also metal. I'm not exactly sure if it's a mix of metal and plastic. If you guys know for sure, you can just write a comment below. I'm pretty sure, if I remember, the brushless models are um, are made with metal, and I think just the regular models are made with plastic. But um, I'm not sure which is this one. I'm thinking this is probably the Pro model. I can't recall, but it does come with blue, a nice anodized blue shock towers front and rear, aluminum shock caps. Um, these are oil fill units, which is nice, which means you don't really have to change them unless you want to change the color. But no, they work. They're very progressive. They work fine. You got a traditional bumper in the front and rear, so that's nice. Basically, that's a top view of what we're working with. We have I guess what some people call an upper floor, where you can mount your receiver, your ESC if it doesn't fit down here. Um, Despite its 1/16 scale, you it actually accepts a full size servo right over here, as you can see. So it's a full size servo that goes in here, and the motor here would go basically in this place right over here. See if I got an example here. Okay, so this is a 2435 size motor. try to lodge it in to show you guys. Okay, so a 2435, it fits, as you can see. You can actually put a bigger one here. You can probably move up to 28. Okay, here's this old Racer Star 2845 size motor, which I have here. I don't think I can use a 2845 in this particular, because the motor shaft is different than the pinion that it comes with. And let me see here. Yeah, 28 is just a bit too big. It's basically, it's hitting the front, the rear mount of where the servo would go. So a 28, I mean, I can't really jam it in because then the servo won't fit. Like I said, it's very tight. So basically, you can do here maybe like a 2445. Actually, no, maybe a 2440 would be the biggest, because 2845 is this one, and a 2445 is the same length, and that won't fit. So the biggest you can go is a 2440 for this one here. You can either run it on 2S or 3S. And because it's so light, it can handle 3S with no issues whatsoever. And being a 24 or 40, it's not like it won't be a monster in terms of torque and in terms of the drivetrain. So yeah, 2440, biggest you can go, and but you'll get plenty of wheel speed. I do have some 2440s kicking around here. I could do a 4600 kV. Most likely I'll be using that one. So so maybe 4600 kV on 3S. So yeah, this thing will go crazy on 3S. And I just picked up some 1500 milliamp 3S 35C lipos, so that'll fit nicely right in here. Just kind of slide them in there, and then should be good. So yeah, so I'm thinking I'll make this a little 3S machine, so it should positively fly. What else does it come with here? Okay, I thought I saw something else here. I did see a little bag of so many parts. That's the problem when you have so many RCs and all that. I'm sure your workbenches look similar to mine. But I did see a bag here. Here it is. Okay, so in this bag we have the pinion that it comes with. So that's the pinion right there. All right, with the grub screw. I can't recall how many teeth it is, but I did order the biggest one that I can find. And here is the mount for where you would mount the servo steering. The servo would mount in here, and then of course this would be on the arm that would control it. So yeah, so anyways, so I'm gonna hold off on building this guy here until I get the bigger pinion. So I'll make it pretty much a speed machine. Let's see what kind of speeds I get on that, right? So that should be fun. So yes, that is it for the unboxing of the good old HSP 94185 1/16 scale buggy. So when it's done, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like that. It's a bit high right now, but anyways. So yeah, the HSP 94185 full drive 1/16 scale buggy. It does look nice. So if you have any questions about this particular RC or any of the other ones in my fleet, please by all means leave a comment below, and I'll answer any questions that you guys may have. All right, have a good day, guys. Ciao.